Good day. In this video, we are going to discuss integration by substitution with this problem. So we have integral of the quantity x minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 5 dx. So the first step we are going to take using integration by substitution is we are going to let u will be x minus 1. So we are going to let u is equal to x minus 1. And then the second step is we are going to derive u. So we have derivative of u is equal to the derivative of x is simply 1 dx, or else you can write that as du is equal to dx. So the derivative of x here is we have x1 minus 1, that is x to the power of 0, and then any number or variable that will be raised to 0 is equal to 1. Otherwise, if 0 will be raised to 0, that is another topic. So again, any number or variable that will be raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So since we have derived x, so we will use dx here. So du is equal to dx. So let's move forward. The next process is simply replace x minus 1 by u. So we have here u to the power of 5. The first term is u to the power of 5, so we have, so x minus 1 to the power of 5, so this will become u. So we have here u to the power of 5. The second term is plus 3. So let's just copy 3 here, and then we have the quantity of x minus 1. So x minus 1, that is x minus 1, so that is u. So we have u to the power of 2. Let's just copy the exponent 2 here, and then the third term is 5. So close this one, and then copy dx. The next step we are going to take is distribute this one, and then also dx distribute to the terms here, and here. So let's do it here. So the integral of u to the power of 5 dx, and then the integral of 3 u to the power of 2 dx. So what is the operation? That is plus. And then this one and this one, we have 5 dx. So let's just copy the operation plus. So I think that's clear. We have already distributed this symbol, this one and this one, also the dx. So we have forgot something here. Since we have replaced x minus 1 by u, and then we are also to replace dx by du, since we have dx is equal to du here. So wherever you can see dx, you replace it by du. So we have u to the power of 5 du plus, let's pull out the constant, and then u to the power of 2, we have du plus, let's pull out the constant 5, and then this will be du. So let's move forward. So let's perform the integration here, and okay, in this part, so we have u to the power of 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1. Why? Because we have applied the general power formula for integration. So we have 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1. So we have the general power formula is like this. X to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So let's move forward. We have the second term is we have plus 3, and then let's just close this 3 so that for us to avoid confusion. So the integral of u to the power of 2 du is equal to, again, use the general power formula. We have u 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1, and then the third term is plus 5. Let's close this one, and then the integral of du is u. Since we have integrated the terms here, we are going to plus c. C is called the constant of integration. So let's move forward. Perform the indicated operations here. So we have u to the power of 5 plus 1, that is 6, all over 5 plus 1, that is 6, and then plus here, and then copy 3, and then u plus u to the power of 2 plus 1, that is u to the power of 3, all over 2 plus 1, that is 3, and then plus 5, and then u, 5 times u, that is 5u, plus c. So the next process is simply simplify this one, or else reduce those terms that we can have a reduce process. So we have, okay, so u to the power of 6 all over 6, we have plus, okay, we can rewrite this one, this expression here, we can actually rewrite this one into 3 all over 3u to the power of 3 plus 5u plus c. It's just a basic algebraic ways. So let's do it. So every u here should be replaced by, in our first process, in every u here in our semi-final answer will be replaced by x minus 1. So x minus 1 to the power of 6 all over 6 plus 3 over 3, that is 1. So there's no need to write here 1. And then since we have u to the power of 3, that will be replaced by x minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 5 times x minus 1 plus c. So I think we are done with our solution. So we can actually reduce this one, but this answer will do. So I think we are done, and thank you for watching. I hope that you like the video. If you have any questions, please drop down your comments on the comments box, and please don't hesitate to write any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching.